Folks, ever wondered how some founders launch a fully working SaaS business in a single evening, while others spend weeks just setting up authentication? That's where our next AI tool comes into play. I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today, we're diving into Atoms. This isn't just another platform. It's your next-gen team taking care of research, full-stack development, and SEO. Basically, it turns vibe coding into vibe business. In this video, we're not going to click through every button. Instead, we'll launch a real subscription-based analytics service from scratch. And just like that, backend, database, and promotion will be ready faster than it takes you to finish your coffee. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. So let's jump in and see what this tool is all about. Folks, Atoms, previously known as MGX, is the world's first system designed to build next-generation businesses. It's more than just software. It's a full AI-powered team, ready to handle the heavy lifting for your business. The first member of our team we'll talk to is Iris, the deep researcher. I'm going to ask it to research micro-SaaS platforms that implement automated market analytics. For now, I'll leave everything on the default settings with Claude. I could use a theme, but we don't need it yet. Guys, there's also a race mode here, but for the research stage, I won't activate it yet. Instead, I'll simply turn on deep research. Then we send the request for processing, and now we can see Iris connecting to the task. Now let's wait for a detailed analysis. And this is actually the first step of any successful business – strategy. Instead of immediately writing code, we involve Iris. She doesn't just search the internet for information. She analyzes trends and competitors to find real open niches. We asked Iris to explore the market for micro-SaaS services that generate automated reports. Instantly, she starts forming a detailed research plan and project structure. This allows us to validate the inside stream idea before we spend even a single minute on development. Atoms provides a depth of analysis that, according to tests, even surpasses many well-known AI models. With this kind of foundation, we know we're building a product with real demand. I launch deep research and wait for the result. Folks, now take a look at this result. This isn't just generated text, it's a full strategic asset for the business. Iris structured all the information into a professional HTML report with infographics and deep niche analysis. We can clearly see the roadmap for Inside Stream. Basically, the agent identified three key sectors, from eco-products to complex digital assets. The report includes everything, from audience pain points and market insights to specific monetization models. The idea here is strategy before code, which is exactly why Atoms can outperform competitors. By the way, guys, deep research from Atoms shows 73% accuracy on benchmarks, which is much higher than standard language models. Now, with this foundation, we can move on to implementation. With regular AI chats, you get one code version and just hope it works. Here's the thing, with this tool, you activate race mode, and several independent agent teams run simultaneously. It's like hiring 4 top development studios and picking the best result, improving quality by around 45% and nearly eliminating logical errors. I'll choose turbo mode so it's faster and cheaper. Then I'll ask Bob the architect and Alex the engineer to work on the task. Folks, notice that we're using Atoms Claude. This means that with a single prompt, the system doesn't just generate buttons, it creates real databases, user authentication systems, and integrates payments through Stripe. So basically, we're not just writing code, we're launching the engine of our business. Right now, 4 teams are working in parallel, and soon we'll see which one delivers the best result. Alright friends, let's check out the screen. This is a real digital showdown. Race mode ran 4 AI models at once, Claude Opus and Sonnet, and also Gemini and GLM. Each has its own style and logic. Gemini looks professional and restrained, delivering a full landing page with dashboard, pre-filled niches, and pricing. GLM made a very simple admin panel. Some parts work, but the full overview won't load. Claude Sonnet also failed, throwing an error during assembly. Folks, if this were a regular AI chat, we'd be hunting bugs and fixing them manually. Here's the thing, with Atoms, we just ignore the failed attempts and pick the best solution. Claude Opus 4.6 is marked the best by the system, and I agree. A full landing page, pricing plans, and a functional dashboard. It also has a complete admin panel with subscription management and user profiles. Everything works smoothly and looks great. I'll select this option, click "I'm loving this one" and confirm. Now this project becomes our foundation to move forward. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Most AI tools stop at creating a pretty interface, but business happens under the hood. Take a look at the left panel. The platform has already deployed the full stack using TypeScript and Tailwind CSS. So we have ready-to-go profile pages, dashboards, and the report filtering system. Guys, next we activate Atoms Cloud for payments. Since this is a demo, I have the agents create a mock Stripe service. This simulates a real payment system, letting us see how users get access to content after paying. Mike processes my request, passes tasks to Alex, and Alex adds subscription logic, from starter to pro to enterprise, everything from our landing page. The cool thing is, you don't need to be a backend developer. The app already handles user roles and access. This isn't just a website anymore, it's a revenue-ready product. Everything's ready to generate our first revenue. Atoms Cloud sets up a full subscription cycle in minutes, something that usually takes days. Mates, let's take a look at the dashboard. Demo mode lets us test everything and view what a user sees after a successful payment or during a pending one. Later on, we can remove this demo mode when going live. We've tested everything, from picking a plan to accessing reports. And this isn't just for show. The agents built a real architecture, so the logic can connect to a live Stripe account with a single key. Plug it into your own account, and you have a product that doesn't just look professional, it works like a real micro-SaaS. Guys, now it's time to get the word out. The last link in our business chain is growth. Atoms doesn't leave you with an empty site. We activate the SEO assistant. Its job is to turn Iris's research into a steady stream of organic traffic. The SEO agent automatically generates expert articles optimized for our target niches, from eco-friendly products to adaptive clothing. While you focus on strategy, the AI team handles metadata, keywords, and content that will attract customers from search engines. As you can see, this is the full cycle, from the initial idea and deep research to backend setup and final marketing inside one browser window. Alright, my friends, here's the bottom line. With Atoms, you're not just generating a prototype, but building a full revenue-ready business. From validating your idea to launching a fully functional business in your browser, this tool handles every step so you can focus on results, not setup. I just showed you how quickly a micro-SaaS or subscription product can go live, fully functional and ready to grow. Now it's your turn. Try Atoms using my exclusive link in the description and see how fast you can turn your idea into income. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.